Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're in for a treat. Today, I want to give you a taste of what you can expect from my videos. Imagine a world where you no longer have to call a professional every time something breaks down in your home. With my channel, you can become the handyman or handywoman you've always wanted to be. We provide clear, concise videos that guide you through diagnosing and fixing a wide range of electrical, mechanical, and electronic devices. Gone are the days of spending hours searching the internet for solutions to your DIY repair problems. Our videos are designed to be your one-stop shop for all your troubleshooting needs. Whether it's a faulty light switch, a leaky faucet, or a malfunctioning computer, we have you covered. What sets us apart from other DIY channels is our focus on simplicity and effectiveness. We break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps, ensuring that even the most inexperienced viewer can follow along. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle any repair job with ease. But it's not just about fixing things. Our channel also offers tips and tricks to help you maintain your devices, ensuring they stay in top-notch condition. From routine maintenance to preventive measures, we cover it all. After all, prevention is often the key to avoiding costly repairs down the line. So, if you're tired of paying for expensive repairs or relying on others to fix things for you, it's time to take matters into your own hands. Subscribe to our channel and join our ever-growing community of DIY enthusiasts. Together, we can conquer any repair challenge that comes our way. I hope this trailer has given you a glimpse into the world of possibilities that awaits you on our channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey of DIY repairs and troubleshooting. Until next time, happy fixing! Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.